Hey guys, this is Jamie with PC Monkey. We're bringing you another do-it-yourself computer repair video today. Today we're working on an HP laptop and we're dealing with the problem if you're seeing a battery error. 0% plugged in, not charging, battery not detected. If it stops charging at a certain point, and anything involving that we're going to show you how to address. First, check out our description. You'll see related video links. You'll also see frequently asked questions. If we see people asking the same questions on the video over and over, we put the question and the answer there to save you some time. If you do need to ask a question that's not in the frequently asked questions, we will try to get back to you every day, at least twice a day, to help you out with whatever you're dealing with. So the first part here, make sure that your updates are all the way through. I know everyone says that, but it's a good step. A lot of times if you've just reinstalled Windows, or for whatever reason, if your drivers are messed up, that could stop your battery from charging. So what you want to do is go down to your search menu, type in updates. This will pop up here. It says check for updates. Hit enter. Updates available. Sometimes it says updates not available. Don't believe it. There'll be a button here that says check for updates. Click on that. Here we have a lot of updates available, but I want to make sure they're actually going through. I'll scroll down. Yeah, see? So they're not auto updating. I need to click on this button, download. So once I do that, those updates will start going through. So if you're having any of these issues, take that step first. Update your computer. Make sure all the drivers are updated and properly installed. That's probably the case 15% of the time, why your battery's not charging, why it's not being detected. Honestly, the vast majority of reasons we see for this in computers that come into our shop is that the battery is actually dead. So pop your battery out. Sometimes they have a part number on them, but even if they don't, search for your computer make and model. You can find good used ones on eBay and Amazon. Again, 80% of the time when you're getting a message like that, it is because your battery is dead. However, the other remaining times, it could be that your charger is malfunctioning. Check out your charger for the next thing you can do. If this is the OEM original charger, so HP computer, HP charger. If this is an OEM original charger that came with your computer, then you're probably good as far as making sure that it matches. If it's not the original charger, if it's a non-OEM charger like a generic one, make sure that the volt and amp rating match what your computer needs. On the bottom of your computer, there will usually be a volt and amp rating. There it is. Let me zoom in and show you what I'm talking about here. Zooms in really slow. Sorry guys. So you see that? It's saying 19.5 volts, 2.31 amp. So you're going to want to make sure that your charger is rated for those same values. And the same numbers will be on your charger. So make sure that your charger and your computer match. If it doesn't match one way or another, it's too low or it's too high, your computer could underperform, which you don't want, or it could be being damaged. So you want to make sure that your charger is rated correctly. If your charger is rated correctly, check out the video link in the description. You could always try to test your charger. Make sure that even though it's rated correctly originally, that it's still working properly. And that video link will be down below. Another thing to remember is that if your battery is stopped charging at around 75%, 80, 95, 97, any weird number in there, a lot of newer computers nowadays, that's by design. They're stopped charging at a certain point so that they're not always charging and then not charging the not, because that damages your battery. But again, the vast majority of the time, check your updates, but you're looking at the battery actually being bad. If you need help locating the correct battery for your computer, leave us a comment. We can help you out. Give us the make and model of your computer, and we can show you where to get them as cheap as possible. If this video was helpful, please like and share. Any questions, leave them. We'll get back to you. And if you enjoy do-it-yourself laptop fixes, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.